Recommended use, recommended for ages 3, holds up to 50 pounds. For Trolls fans, this fun shared desk features colorful graphics of Trolls characters, ideal for homeschooling or remote learning. Kid-friendly design, desk sits low to the ground for easy access. Size, assembled dimensions, 20.47 length by 22.83 width by 23.23 height. Tons of storage. Desk features pull-out storage bin under the seat that provides ample space for toys, art supplies and more. Built-in cup holder is ideal for art supplies. Durable construction, made of engineered wood and fabric built to withstand years of use. Scratch-resistant finish protects the colorful graphics, wipes clean easily with dry cloth. Top reviews from the United States. Bittersweet. We bought this for our 2-year-old grandbaby and she loved it. We lost her in May suddenly but kept it. It is sturdy and easy to clean. Toddlers will love this. It is hard to see it with her fingerprints and food smudges, but I am so happy we purchased this for her.